how do slopes and gradients affect the walking procedure? Because I know that if you're going on flatland and walking is different if you're going up hills and downhill. So how does that affect you? Does that cause maybe some more severity? Because again, there's a difference between you going up something or down something and how that could affect the overall process.
Oh, you hit it right on the head. Exactly. Any incline will basically an incline triples your work that you need to do to get the legs to move. It's just like even like when you're regularly working out, if you're working out on a treadmill and then somebody, you put the incline up to 30 degrees, it's harder to do the running. It's the same thing with walking. So there are people that will say, I can go for, not infrequently will say, I can go for miles on a flat surface. But when I have to go up a hill, I have to stop. And I usually tell them, that's because you have exercise, it's basically exercise induced, but you're in a very safe place because you're not going to lose you have enough blood flow going to your legs to keep your legs attached to your body and to do your functioning life. Usually in those patients, and I never ever do treatment on those patients. They don't need any intervention ever, no matter how much they push it. But if you have difficulty doing an incline, then I would suggest you start with inclines and you're walking. So don't walk for 30 minutes and then try to do the incline because you're going to be tired. You want to start with a number of hills and then go to flat surfaces afterwards as kind of the cool down. And that will, the same way, just like with walking on flat surfaces, you will notice that you can walk further higher before the pain is triggered in your legs. But even me, if I were to walk on an incline, you do get lactic acid buildup in your legs. So it's not like an abnormal thing to have that. So that doesn't necessarily mean that you have a disease process that needs to be fixed. It's just the normal human physiology. And the healthier you are and the more you work out, the longer it takes for that lactic acid to build up.